Hi everyone, Frank Starling here. Today I have something really special to review. These are Chemion glasses. I saw these advertised on Facebook, and I'm not typically someone to fall for gimmicky or trendy things, but when I saw these glasses, I knew I had to have them. So I am going to Vegas in 1 week's time, and I thought these glasses would be the perfect way to immerse myself in the Vegas environment, which is just surrounded by lights and flashy, showy things. I thought these glasses would be, the perfect thing to wear there. Not only that, but I plan on entering a poker tournament, and I thought these glasses would be really cool to wear. I don't know if they'll kick me out for wearing them or if they're even allowed, because I don't think there's ever been glasses like this out there before, but I will I will find out, and I'll report back to let you guys know. So in the meantime, between ordering and receiving these glasses, I actually watched every single video review on YouTube of these glasses. I was so excited to see them, and none of them actually gave a really detailed walk around look at what the glasses look like from all angles. I'm someone who, when I get something, I want to know what it looks like from all angles. I want to have a very vivid description of what I'm purchasing, and for 80 bucks I definitely think you should. So I just wanted to quickly give you a detailed tour of what these glasses look like. Now I want to talk about first how to use them. Really self-explanatory. They come with an instruction manual, but really you don't even have to use them. The only thing you have to know is there's one button on the glasses here in the top right. You press and hold for 3 seconds. There's a little blip on the screen, and then it says Chemion on. Then you're good to go. It comes with a couple of preset default displays on these glasses, and I'll press this button in the top right to scroll through them. You just press it once. Scroll through another one. Another one, and another one, and then we're gonna rotate back. So, but there are almost, essentially infinite numbers of displays online on the Chemion app, and later on in the video I will give you guys a tour through that app, and you can, I say infinite because you can customize what you want to display here and the animation sequence. There's 3 different pixel displays. So there's a light, which is, these are all the brightest light. There's a medium gray, and then there's a light gray, and then a completely off. So off with 3 different pixel displays. I mean, there's a lot of possibilities. Now to shut it off, you just press and hold this button again for about 3 seconds, and it literally just tells you Chemion off. Now, comfort, usability, and wearability with these glasses. I wore these out when I went for a night out in the town. I live close to Boston. I went out to Boston for a couple hours walking around the city. These things lasted 4 hours throughout the night, no problem. Same set of batteries. I don't typically wear sunglasses. I don't typically wear glasses, not even aviators. So these are, as you can see, extremely bulky, and I was a little worried about having these things be comfortable on me throughout the night, especially where I'm not used to wearing glasses. But to be honest, after 10 minutes, I didn't even notice that they were there. The only time I did notice that they were there was when someone came up to me and said, "Dude, what are those things? Where did you get them?" or wanted to try them on. So comfort, they're fine. I don't even notice that they're there. They come with this little like rubber band that you can wear around the back of your head. I mean, they are $80 glasses. I wouldn't want anything to happen to them. But I'm 6 feet tall, 170 pounds, medium size. It's a regular size head. These things did not slip or move, too much around my head. I felt comfortable not wearing this little rubber bandy thing. I think it looks kind of weird. And I was fine with them. They didn't slide down my nose every time I bent down or anything like that. So, comfort aspect, they were fine with me. Now, the only thing that I don't like about these glasses was I was a little surprised when I took them out of the box originally. I don't know if you hear this, but I'll be quiet for a second. You hear that like little plasticky movement? These things feel like a little cheap when I pick them up. They're heavy, but they feel to me a little bit cheap. They're cool glasses and everything, but I would have wished if they had, I don't know, some sort of more rigid structure to them. Just, you hear that kind of like plasticky, cheap sound slash feeling to them. That's not something that I expected when I first took these out of the box. So that's one thing I would want to change about these glasses. I just wanted to give you a quick run through of what else comes in the box. I already alluded to this little rubber bandy thing that goes around the back. It also comes with a carrying case. In case you want to take these glasses off while you're out, I wouldn't recommend that. But it's embossed with Chemion. I don't know if you can see that with on being bold. I thought that was a little cool touch. And then it comes with 2 AAA batteries, so you're good to go straight out of the box. So now I am going to actually cut the video and I will show you guys the Chemion app itself and walk you through some of the customizable features on the graphic display of these glasses. And we're back. So I just wanted to turn on these glasses so that you can see what they look like at night. And then I want to walk you through the launch and use of the Chemion app. So the app is right here in purple. So we're just going to launch it. Now I have Bluetooth turned on my phone, and you can see that it automatically picked up my my glasses. So I'm going to go ahead and link them, and we're going to connect. So here are the 4 main options when you get inside the Chemion app. I'd say the most interesting is probably that creator, because we can write our own stuff on these glasses. So I'm going to take you through that right now. So the cool thing about it is it updates in real time while you're creating them. So if I wanted to write like hi, you can see that this is actually appearing on my glasses as I'm typing it, which I think is really cool. Also, there are a couple of different pixels that you can use. So you have dark pixels up here, then you have medium and high intensity pixels. So I just wanted to demo that. You can see on the glasses themselves, they're appearing like smaller and smaller in size. So I just thought that was something that's really cool. So again, here's a demo of the bright pixels, here's a demo of the medium pixels, and here's a demo of the darkest pixels. Another cool thing that you can do in this app is that you can actually invert the colors. So I just think that's really cool. I mean, it really leaves you a lot of possibilities. So now let's just go back to, we don't want to save that. Let's go back to this main app right here. We can turn it on in equalizer mode, which is also pretty cool. So they have a couple of different graphical displays within the app. Let's go with the first one. And you can see that as I'm talking, the glasses are lighting up. And I think this is just so cool. If you were to bring it to a concert or something, you could, really kind of immerse yourself and really get into the scene there. There's also a text editor where you can have you can just write down what you want to say. Let's put down Frank Starling, and it will automatically come up with some text to display on the glasses itself. So here we have a couple of different options. Let's go with the scroll. I think that's just super cool. And then last is the Explorer, which is also a really cool app. So it goes online and there's like a Chemion database of all user submitted inputs that have been created for this app. So you can see there's just a bunch that's updated in real time. You can download them if you want. It's kind of like a social media site. You can like them if you want. And then lastly, right at the bottom of this app right here, it's a button that says My Folder. I don't know if you can see that. So this is like your hard drive of all apps that you've either downloaded through Explorer or created yourself. So I just wanted to walk you through a couple of these. I think some of these are really funny. So I'm going to Las Vegas next week. I thought that would be kind of cool, especially on the poker table. One that I made myself, and I thought this would be pretty cool. If you're single, you weren't tied down and going to a bar, I thought this would be awesome. Either give this to your buddy on a bachelor party or something like that. There's just a lot of cool possibilities here, and I really think that these glasses are essentially a cool way to display a little bit of your personality to people without talking to them. So one of the ways that I think other people do that is through their clothing, through their through how they dress, but I think it's really a different type of communication if you can display something about yourself that people can pick up on without actually talking to you. So I think that's why I've been drawn so much to these glasses. So thanks for watching. This is Frank Starling. Take care and have a good day.